Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a curtain rod using electrical conduit. You can actually go into a hardware store or home improvement store and they can thread the end. That way you can get your desired length for your window. We have our desired length. This one actually is 36 inches. We're going to be using two 90-degree street elbows. And this is a flange. We'll be using two of them. You want to make sure you get them all in the same size. This happens to be a 1/2 inch. What you want to do is take your 90-degree elbow and place one on each end. You don't want to tighten it too tight because we actually need to match these up so that they're pointing the same exact way. After you get them pointing the same way, take your flange and place one on each side of the street 90. Set it flat on your table. That way you can ensure that they're correctly pointed in the same way, nice and flat, and then you mount it on your window. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to make an electrical conduit curtain rod. Thanks for watching.